Well, here we go. $50 drone for Christmas. Haven't charged the batteries up. Well, I left one of them in the car for a while, and I wonder if this thing's even going to get off the ground. Here we go. Oh, fuck, we're off the ground. We're away. Roll credits. Hey up, what's going on? Why can't I get over to my bus where I want to be? Southerly. It's not professional piece of equipment by any means. I mean, $50 bloody. Anyway, I'll get it over to the bus eventually. Here we are, over at the bus anyway. And looking at the top of the bus, trying to find out where the water's coming from. When I jerked it forward, and oh gee, that is a bit of bad flying there. Here we go. I'm being chased by a cat. Honest, if I can, here we go, come on, here we go. Yay, there it is. It's Payback the cat. He's been stalking the drone. Back up there, see there's some puddles there, and so there's probably a seal around there, and it drains down. Oh, don't hit there. Oh man, I crashed. Can I get it going again? Or do I get a ladder? I'm off to get a fucking ladder, aren't I? No, okay, oh, there we go. Brilliant stuff. Anyway, turn back around and look at that fucking bus, would you? It's not that easy, you know. First time flying a drone and all. No, wrong way. Oh, well, at least that's showing me why I live with water all over the floor. Oh, here we go. Yeah, see those puddles there? I think they drain down a drain hole and come out the bottom of the bus when you jerk it around. And don't hit the building, Tony. No, don't hit the building, Tony. It's a long way to go find a ladder to get all the way up there too. Just don't do it. And here's a bit of sideways action. Exciting times. It's really not. Oh, did I just hit the fucking bus? I think I did. Yep, no, I hit the fucking bus. Oh well, that's the end of that. Although, I wonder where that cat is. Payback. Oh, there you are. There's the Payback. Yeah, look at that, mate. Look at that. What's this thing? What is this thing? Okay. There you go, boy. What do you reckon, Payback? And old Battle was interested too, until we discovered fleas. Fleas much more interest. Nom nom.